Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Merrimack St Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2014 Chevrolet Corvette 3LZ Premier Edition, or 3LT. I think the Z is for Z06. This is the Premier Edition convertible, so one of 550. Yep, one of 550. This one specifically is the automatic, which some people are going to click away now. Other people are going to realize that some people who want to drive sports cars for some reason can't drive manual or don't want to. So that's why I really couldn't care less. I'm going to turn that on. It is 46 degrees out right now, and I have the top down. I am absolutely freezing. But if you're driving a convertible Corvette, you're gonna drive a convertible Corvette. A couple different drive modes, which, first of all, try to find, there's your badge, try to find the convertible top. Give you a second. No, not up here. Yeah, no, it's hidden over here by the heads-up display. It took me forever to find it. So we are in full manual. We are in track mode, which of course opens up the exhaust. So this GM 8-speed is kind of the tale of two different transmissions. It's at low RPM. It's a very slippy kind of torque converter auto. Once you get up into the upper RPMs, you'll hear this thing absolutely firecracker shifts. Like, it literally sounds like a firecracker. It's insane. I'm gonna turn the heat all the way up. I'm also on summer tires, so I don't know how this thing's gonna react to power. Yeah, I mean, the thing with the C7, this is the last of the, well, this is the first of the last front engine Corvette, and they'll have a special place in my heart forever. I mean, I was getting my license when this car came out. I mean, I was 14 when this one was new. So this was the one, like, you had those dreams of, oh, I wish I could get my license and buy a Corvette. This is what I thought of. You know, buy a brand new Corvette. And I'm pretty sure everybody watching this video has or remembers what the Corvette looked like brand new when they were born. Well, not the day they were born, like, oh yeah, I remember on the day I was born, this was a Corvette. They remember the Corvette that they grew up with. Probably look like an idiot right now because it's so cold, but whatever. Oh, I love that sound. That's a sound that a manual can't make. I mean, you can try it, but a lot of times you're just gonna try frying your clutch. That snap between shifts. Something a manual transmission can't make. And that's one reason why I love the automatic, for that specific thing. And it's those upshifts. Oh man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.